Hi, I am Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you how to automate invoice processing with AI in n8n. This workflow is built for finance, accounts payable, operations, and admin teams that still spend time downloading invoice attachments, reading PDFs, extracting vendor details, checking totals, and manually deciding whether an invoice can be approved. By the end of this workflow, you'll have an automation that watches Gmail for invoice emails, checks whether a PDF is attached, downloads the invoice, runs OCR, extracts structured invoice data with GPT-4o, validates the result, logs approved invoices in Google Sheets, and flags invoices in Slack when human review is needed. Step 1. Gmail. Watch for invoice emails. 1. The workflow starts with the Gmail trigger. This node watches for incoming invoice emails and starts the automation whenever a new invoice email arrives. This removes the need for someone to manually check the inbox and download invoices one by one. Step 2. Prepare email metadata 1. This code node prepares the email metadata. It extracts useful details from the incoming email such as sender information, subject, message ID, attachment details, and invoice context. This gives the workflow a clean base before checking the invoice attachment. Step 3. Has PDF attachment. 1. This if node checks whether the email contains a PDF invoice attachment. If a PDF is found, the workflow continues to the invoice extraction path. If no attachment is found, it sends an alert so the team knows the invoice email needs attention. Step 4. Slack. Alert. No attachment. Found one if the email does not contain a PDF attachment, this Slack node sends a no attachment alert. This helps the finance team quickly identify incomplete invoice emails instead of silently missing them. Step 5. Gmail. Download invoice attachment 1 if the email has a PDF invoice. This Gmail node downloads the attachment. The downloaded invoice file becomes the source document for OCR and AI extraction. Step 6. Extract raw file content. 1. This node extracts the raw file content from the downloaded invoice. It prepares the file data so the workflow can convert the invoice into readable text. Step 7. Extract text from PDF 1. This node extracts text from the PDF invoice. If the invoice has embedded text, this step captures the readable invoice content before OCR processing. Step 8. Gemini OCR. Parse invoice image 1. This OCR node processes the invoice visually. It reads invoice content from the document image and helps capture details that may not be available through normal PDF text extraction, such as scanned invoices or image-based PDFs. Step 9. Clean and normalize OCR output 1. This code node cleans and normalizes the OCR output. It removes noise, standardizes the extracted text, and prepares a cleaner invoice body for the AI extraction step. Step 10. GPT-4 extract invoice data. This GPT-4 node extracts structured invoice data from the cleaned invoice text. It identifies fields like vendor name, invoice number, invoice date, due date, line items, subtotal, tax amount, total amount, currency, and payment terms. Step 11. Parse and validate invoice data 1. This node parses and validates the AI output. It checks whether the extracted invoice details are complete and reliable enough for automated approval and prepares the final structured invoice record. Step 12. Auto-approved or needs review. 1. This if node decides whether the invoice can be auto-approved or needs human review. If the invoice data is complete and passes validation, it moves to the approve path. If something is missing, risky, or unclear, it moves to the review path. Step 13. Slack. Flag invoice for human review 1 if the invoice needs review. This Slack node alerts the finance team. It highlights the invoice that could not be auto-approved and shares the reason why human review is required. Step 14. Google Sheets log flagged invoice 1. This Google Sheets node logs the flagged invoice. It stores the invoice details, review status, and issue reason in the tracker so the finance team has a proper audit trail. Step 15. Google Sheets log approved invoice 1 if the invoice is approved. This Google Sheets node logs the approved invoice. It records the vendor, invoice number, amount, due date, status, and extracted invoice details in the invoice tracker. Step 16. Slack notify invoice auto-approved 1. After the invoice is logged as approved, this Slack node notifies the team. It confirms that the invoice was processed successfully and auto-approved by the workflow. That's the complete AI invoice processing workflow. It watches Gmail for incoming invoice emails, checks for PDF attachments, downloads the invoice, extracts text and OCR data, uses GPT-4o to structure the invoice details, validates the result, logs approved invoices in Google Sheets, and flags risky invoices in Slack for human review. For finance, accounts payable, and operations teams, this means fewer manual downloads, faster invoice review, better tracking, and a cleaner approval process. I'm Rahul Joshi. If this was useful, I drop one free workflow like this every week inside my school community. JSON file included, setup guide included, completely free. Over 130 people are already using these. Link in the description. Come join us. See you in the next one.